So we're at a dog field near Redditch for again a repeat customer similar to last time. They also wanted to do a metal post-based system, something that would last. With these public access areas we can't use creosote and UC4 just doesn't have the longevity. We've gone with metal again, but this customer, they didn't like the look of the metal. They're concerned about the sort of industrial look, especially because it's a private residence, so it's part of their main drive. They wanted something more attractive to look at. We had a discussion with Tornado because they've been talking about doing this in a powder coated black, and yeah, it's come out really well. The other side of the drive has been done in timber before now, and actually their customers commented that it's so attractive they wish they'd done the other side in black. Gone with the same 131928 netting, and this client wanted a skirt added for they're particularly concerned about the smaller dogs getting out. Normally we'd recommend putting the skirt on the outside of the fence line to stop wildlife coming in and creating those holes where the dogs escape, but this client particularly wanted the netting on the inside for their own peace of mind, so we've added that. Again, gone with the Pro Strain system. The struts and the strain is all powder coated black as well, so it matches. Tornado also got the main entrance gate powder coated black as well, which looks really smart.